Welcome to my review of the Womier ERA75 wireless aluminium mechanical keyboard. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing my opinion with you so you can make an informed buying decision. So this is a really heavyweight keyboard. It's very well made, a nice solid slab of aluminium, really presented nicely, and this particular colourway is called Ice. It is available in other colours, including like a bronze, cyber, something called Doomsday as well, and each colour kit really has a very distinct look. So it's a very strong powder coated finish, looks absolutely superb. I love these sort of engravings into the metal body. It really does look the part. Now this is a wireless keyboard, so it supports Bluetooth. Also it supports 2.4 gigahertz wireless, and you can also use it wired as well. And inside the box you get the keyboard itself, and then you also get some accessories. So you get this sheet of card, and this has got all of the various shortcuts on the back. We also get some instructions, so we get instruction manuals inside. We also get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and then we get these additional bags, and inside here we have got some additional keycaps, and these ones in here are really very cool. Little penguin, little iceberg here. So really nice sort of iced theme design, and they go really well. They match nicely with the overall colourway of the keyboard. We also get some extra switches inside. We get the 2.4 gigahertz wireless dongle, and then because we can switch those keycaps out, we do get a keycap puller. We also get some little tweezers as well. So everything we need inside the box, but obviously the star of the show is this 80 key plus one knob keyboard. It's the ANSI layout, 75% overall size, really nice control knob in the corner here, which also acts as a button, full row of function keys of course, and a really nice design. Very nice on the back here as well. In fact, if we turn it completely round, you'll see that we have got the switch here to turn it between Windows and Mac mode. We've also got the USB-C input for using it wired or charging the internal battery. And then we can switch between Bluetooth mode on the left, USB wired mode in the middle, and 2.4 gigahertz mode, which is going to use the included dongle. If we look at a side profile, you can see the angle that this keyboard sits. There is no feet, so you can't change the angle. We look on the underside, wow, it just looks very nice indeed. I really do love this colourway. It's very nice. I was struggling to decide which colour to take a look at. Really pleased I went with this ice colourway. Now, I'm going to do a typing test for you so you can hear how this sounds. Very nice indeed. The switches inside perform really well. We've got a PC material with flex cuts plate inside. Mounting style is a gasket style, and it just gives a nice firm sort of thocky sound, but really nice sort of feedback from the keys. They've got a nice amount of travel as well. Very responsive. This shift key feels a bit different to the rest. Oh no, that's sort of freed up a little bit now. Just on the side there. But yeah, it feels absolutely wonderful to type on. Now, this is wireless. It's got an internal battery. It's also got, obviously, backlighting. So let's turn this on, put it into Bluetooth mode. And we're going to turn my studio lights off so that you get to see the backlighting a little bit better. and let me know what you think. I think it looks really nice. Very, very nice backlighting. Look at that. Wow. It really does look the part. Very, very even backlighting, and you can change this via key combinations. It just looks really stunning. Very, very nice on the desk. I think overall this is a very nice package. They've designed it really well. The performance is great and it looks the part too. I think the cherry profile PBT keycaps got a nice angle to them. They feel very nice to type on. The actual printing on them is very nice. Love the very, very cool even backlighting on here as well. The fact that this works with Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS and Android really all add up to a great package. This is the Womier ERA75. I can highly recommend it. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. Please do hit like on this video. Please do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in another one very, very soon.